let's check out what's actually inside in this smart light. So on machine G63, but also they have different models. So this is what it looks like, and as far as I can tell, there are only 2 screws. So one in this hole, and also one over here, and it appears like a regular Phillips screw. Let's turn off this thing first. And I'm fairly sure you simply have to like literally pry it apart. So I'm not sure how to take this apart, but as you can see, once I unscrew the screws, basically it actually comes apart. I'm going to take a shim like this and simply try to pry it apart. I'm not sure how to take it apart, but simply going to try it and simply pry it apart, I guess. Okay, so this is what the leg looks like, and they actually simply take off. And they look like this. Basically, there are no screws that I can see. So I guess we simply have to take some kind of shim and simply pry it apart carefully. I guess you can also like squeeze it like this to release it from here as well. So it appears it simply attaches on some kind of clips over here, as you can see. So really you have to work your way, basically. So one more clip over here, and simply gently take it apart. Should be one more clip here. Okay, and that's it. So obviously be more careful than I am. Okay, and I managed to get it off. So you can see you have this LED light strip that simply goes around here. So like this. Be sure not to break these clips, and this is what it looks like. So there are definitely no additional screws, just these clips basically. So they clip together, and this is basically what it looks like inside. Okay, so this takes apart and this simply takes apart like this. So there are no attachments over here, and these are the buttons basically. They go over here, and this is basically what the inside actually looks like. And the light strip actually attaches using a clip, which is kind of cool. So it's not even soldered on. So I guess if you want to, if this maybe not working, maybe verify that this is actually in place, and if all the connections basically over here are proper. And to remove this, we simply have to pull it out. Also, this is what that display technology look like. So you can see we basically have some light diodes that simply shine through these holes and basically illuminate on the other side these parts. So the display technology actually kind of sucks on this. So it's not like it's even LCD. So it's literally just some lights that like shine through at specific times. And to access the battery, we have one screw over here and another screw over here. So we simply have to unscrew these first. Okay, and simply it takes off. Okay, and here we can see what the battery size actually looks like. So you can see it's actually absolutely tiny. So look at the battery size. This is absolutely completely ridiculous. No wonder it actually doesn't last that long. So the battery is absolutely tiny, literally like yeah, there's nothing there. But the good news is we can actually like literally desolder this and put in a better cell. So if you actually want to extend the battery life, so taking apart this is actually kind of easy. And yeah, if your battery has some problems, you can definitely easily actually replace this. So we have a bit of tape over here over the contacts basically. And to access the speaker and the wireless charging coil, we have one screw over here and another over here. And also for the battery cell over here, we actually have this quick connector as well. So if your is not working device, make sure it's actually plugged in properly. Maybe it has been dislodged in some way. Okay, and then you can, I guess, simply lift this off. And you actually have the speaker, and the speaker actually appears. Actually, we have one screw over here, so I guess if we unscrew this, we can actually get to the speaker, and this is what the wireless charging coil looks like. Can we peel it off? Okay, so yeah, it simply comes off like this, and this is what the like wireless charging coil actually looks like. And for the wireless charging coil, there definitely like isn't any like quick release mechanism. As you can see, it's simply soldered on over here, so you can verify that if the solder is basically good and it still attaches. Let's also try to unscrew the speaker and see what's inside. So yeah, taking it apart is actually really easy. Okay, so and this is what the speaker itself looks like, and the speaker actually appears to be glued inside, so I do not think we can actually remove it. So simply verify if all the like connections are good, if nothing has come apart on the speaker, and this is pretty much all there really is to this device. If they could have increased the battery size and also changed the display technology actually to LCD, yeah, then this would actually be fairly decent. The coils look actually, yeah, they look kind of low tech, but yeah, they're okay. Just the battery size really absolutely suck on this thing. Why are they including such a tiny batteries? There are actually no markings. Now let's try to put it all back together. And make sure everything appears positioned well. Make sure the battery is like this. And again, it kind of sucks that they're actually skimping on even screws, so they literally have fastened this with only 2 screws. Absolutely ridiculous. How much a single screw like this could cost? Well, got to save money. And also don't forget to put this back in the correct position. And as you see, there are guide pins where you basically need to slide this through. So make sure this actually white part slides inside, and same on the other end. I guess simply push it in. Okay. And on the frame you can see you have these pins, so they simply snap inside. So also On the top, make sure you position this correctly, so it's this part. So previously I actually mixed it up, so I had this part over here and did go together well. And make sure the light strip actually like secures over here and also slides in these like slots basically, so it stays actually in place and doesn't fall out. So, and make sure the cable is secure and we can't damage it. And then I guess we can take this other part and simply slide it up, and simply we're going to snap it in place. So simply go around and simply snap it together. So, and see basically where any of these clips are. As you see, it simply like snaps in. So try to catch. There's like kind of catch. So that's pretty much it. So it's actually kind of easy. And then let's finish the screws. Yeah, these legs easily come off. Now let's attach these legs back on. Okay, other one, and moment of truth. Okay. Yep, all works. Anyway, good luck guys.